Hi there, hope you are doing good. So here I am with your lottery draw calculations and the formulations as per your requirement and instructions. So what it is happening here, what's happening here is that you will enter the numbers by the buyers, the persons who has bought two normal, two go, three normal, three go, and three rolls accordingly. And here you can see the total of all these. The many bought $3,950. And let me enter some values here. Let me enter 500 here and 200 here. So you can see all the totals are showing here properly. There are two technical hidden parts, which are total buy and don't touch. So don't touch is the calculation, you don't need to worry about it. So all the calculations are happening here according to your instructions, and the total amount is being calculated here as well. So I'll keep this to hold. This one is for the total buy in your last request to get a database from the of the total buy. So I'll keep hidden this one as well. So this one is the manual input, and then you can go to the leftover if a person gets if the number gets strike. So let me delete these two numbers, and you can see all these will be reset. So let me define this part first. So this is your daily usage, or maybe. So what's happening here, for example, if you decide that, okay, I'm going to intake $300 here, 300 here, and 300 here. So as per your calculations, if the 300 amount is available, then it's going to take 300, otherwise it take on all of the amount. So let's say if first, if no number strikes, then this will be your inputs. So this will be your for two normal. This one will be for your uh, yes, this one will be for the two normal, this one will be for three normal, and this one for the three rows. So these are positive numbers, and these are all your profits. But if a number strikes, so the total will become, you can see the total will become 1350, which you will ultimately see on the database as well, which I will show you on a next step. So for example, if a number strikes, you can use this filter. This will show you the number selected on these 20, 20, and 45. And similarly, you can see the number 11 as well. So let me select 20, 11, and this was selected for the two go. So let me select this one. If a number strikes of name 20, so and you have already taken the 300 amount, or let me put it 10. So uh, you have to pay him 9,920, but you will not lose anything, right? Sorry, you will lose 920, right? And then similarly, if this number also strikes and this number also strikes, so these will be your details. So after the completion of this, maybe let's say you say, okay, no number strikes, so this I want to update the database with these values. So what is this? This is the exactly file name of your this current sheet. Maybe it's for 530. Let me change the name, and so that you can see the name, Loto 28 September 530. So if you will see, you will see, oops. So you will see the updated name of the file here, which you can then click this button to update in database. Database, as we know that the database is separate, but just to avoid time waste, I have just given another link of the database linked for view only, so you can see all the database current status here. So let me put this button. You can see currently we have till here, right? Let me select this row, and you can see the data will be updated in this row and this as well. If I click this button, what this is going to do, this is going to update these details, and along with the total in from the total buys, you can see these numbers are being added and turned as green, so these are your profits. And you can see the total here. These three numbers were loaded from the leftover sheet, but this one is your total. and accordingly the number we have added Manny, Juliet and Sam. In the tickets you can see Manny, Sam, Juliet and Sam. You have all the index details as well. Okay, so that's it. And then this part has completed. Now if a person gets strike, maybe number 20 gets strike, and then you decide, okay, I want to update this. So here we have this one, and here we have selected this one. So you can see the data loaded down. So if I'll come back to the leftover sheet and click this button, click to save data in database. Now you can see the data has been updated. That these the number was updated with the loss as the number 20 strikes, and remaining with the total. And you can see the total in by and also get updated. So you are going to do it for the for only for the one time. After maybe this is a 530 sheet and you want to decide, okay, at 530 only 20 number strikes and I want these all updated in my database. So you just need to click this button and these all details will be updated in the database. So now let's come to this part. You can do similarly for the 6:30 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. These all are the same. Yes, one more thing, as you said, if the number strikes, you want the name of the person, you have to pay. So these are the two names. If number something else strike, so you can see the number of name of the person here as well. So okay, three number strike by many, you can see this one many. So once you are done with all these parts, now let's go to this final part. What is this? For example, today is 30th September, right? But if you want to generate three new files with the name of for the next day, so what you have to go here. Actually, today is 29th September. Let me put nothing here. You can see currently 29th September. But if you want to generate three new files with the next day's date, you can put one here and you will see these dates will be updated. So let me show you my drive. You can see currently we have no data, no folder with the name 3. You can see what it's going to do. It's going to, yes, okay, it's going to generate a name of the folder name 30th September 2021, and it's going to generate three files inside it with these three names. So the folder will be 30 September 2021. So let me show you my drive. Currently I don't have any 30 September 2021. Let me click this button. Sorry. Let me click this button to generate new sheets. If I'll click this button and I'll go to the database, my drive, you can see a folder will be added here. Yes, it's here, 30th September 2021. And if I will open this one, you can see the file getting generated. So this is completely automatic. You can see the first file has been generated. What it is actually doing, it's clearing all the sheets and then generating three files with 30th September name. You can always remove these files. So you can see 530, 730 and 630. So let me open a 530 file, and you can see this is a completely clear file and with no leftovers in it and nothing. So you can start fresh, and the name of the file will be, you can see it here. The name of the file should appear here. I'll check it if there is any problem in it. So you will get a fresh three files for the next date, and you can open all these three. Let me enter this one. So this one is, let me show you the name of the file. Here is the name of the file, 30th September 2021. This one is 630, and then let me open 730 as well. So if I'll open 730 file, you can see it's 7:30 p.m. and then the files are all empty, and you can find and you can start fresh. So this is the detailed overview of this file. Hope you like it. If you find any glitch or anything to be changed, you can also generate the files with for next 2, 3, 4 or 7 days. You just need to put 2 here and then click this button. So it's going to generate for the 1st October. Then you're going to generate the third after 3 days files. You can do this. So you can click and generate